Hello everyone. I just went to Dick's and I purchased this Pro Max single scoped gun case. Um, it's made in America, which I like. I prefer to buy American made products. Um, Overall, at first glance, I just needed a cheap gun case to bring back and forth to the range. I spent about $30 on it. I mean, for what it's worth, it seems pretty good as of now. I wanted to see if it fit my rifle, so let's see. Opening up, I don't really know why this is there, or why this foam isn't on the other side to begin with, so put it there now. Okay, everything's on. This is a Ruger 22. There's a lot of room in here, so just close this thing up. Having a little bit of trouble with this back lock, but it's in. It doesn't appear to be sliding around all too much. I can feel it dropping a little bit, but it's for $30. I mean, you really can't expect the highest quality. Another thing I noticed that this handle is a little flimsy, and if you're not gripping it tightly, that it just wiggles around a little bit. No big deal, but like I said, $30, get what you pay for. Let's try another rifle. This is just an ordinary Gammo air gun. Shoots pellets. Let's see how this fits. This is a little bit longer. I think it's supposed to go that way. Let's try that. See if it slides. Yeah, it slides around a little bit in there. I'm not too happy about that, but it just all depends on how you feel. I mean, this thing for $30, it's gonna do well for me. I'm not bringing that much back and forth to the range, just one rifle at a time, and for me, it's perfect. I mean, other than the little things like this wiggling in the handle, and the locks don't seem to be of the highest quality, but I mean, like you said, get what you pay for. One thing I might just do to improve it a little bit is maybe glue down these foam pieces so they don't come loose, because they seem like they would. Let's see. I mean, the plastic is fairly thin. It's not the strongest gun case I've ever seen, but it's still better than your average soft case. I believe it'll protect your weapon a little bit more. Let's see what this tag says. Exterior dimensions: 53.63 inches times 3.75 inches times 13 inches. Interior dimensions: 52.25 inches times 3.5 inches times 9.25 inches. So there you go. Now you know how big of a rifle you can fit in here. Let's see. The Pro Max series. Industry-leading crush-resistant design, the Pro Max series of cases utilizes the patented Patented pillar lock system, which adds superior crush-resistant strength to each case. Thick wall construction, heavy-duty latches, molded handles, and padlock tabs for added security round out the Pro Max series features. Well, as for the latches, I don't see them being that as strong as they claim. But as in the structure, it's pretty strong. It's a little flimsy, but nothing's gonna hurt your rifle when it's inside of here. I mean, overall, if you're looking for a cheap rifle case, go to the range and back. And you're looking for something cheap, this would be the way to go. I mean, I'm not too disappointed with the negative effects of this case because, frankly, I didn't expect much out of $30 for a gun case. So, overall, not a bad rifle case. Thanks for watching. Check us out on thefansbeenhit.com if you're into survival and prepping. We're also on Facebook, and we're also on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.